Enjoy off-road excursions in the future with the 2026 Hummer Motorhome. Based on the popular Hummer EV, this mobile fortress is more than just an RV. Its tough, long-lasting external design includes large all-terrain tires, a chassis that can be adjusted for ground clearance, and a military-inspired look. This beast's almost silent yet unstoppable power comes from its tri-motor electric engine, which produces over 1,000 horsepower and an incredible level of torque. This RV's electric drivetrain is built to deliver exceptional off-road performance and environmentally responsible transportation. You may remain off the grid for extended periods of time without compromising performance thanks to the large battery pack and integrated solar panels. The Hummer Motorhome's cockpit seems more like a command center from the future than a normal recreational vehicle. Large, high-resolution digital screens that are managed by a sophisticated artificial intelligence system take center stage on the dashboard. All of the RV's functions, including off-road capabilities, lighting, climate control, and driving modes, are controlled via a single touchscreen. Range, battery life, and a live feed from the array of external cameras are some of the important details that are easily visible on the driver's display. The simple design and comfortable, high-quality chairs make every trip pleasant and focused. The inside is a brilliant fusion of opulent design and sturdy construction. The modular furniture in the large living room may be rearranged to create spaces for working, dining, or simply unwinding. The materials are a combination of high-end, durable textiles and cutting-edge composites. The huge windows and panoramic sunroof let in a plenty of natural light, making the camper look much larger than it actually is. AI-powered voice commands and smart home capabilities make it simple to manage your surroundings. The bedroom provides a peaceful and cozy haven when it's time to sleep. The focal point is a queen-sized Murphy bed that, when not in use, elegantly folds into the wall to free up additional living space throughout the day. The bed itself had lovely coverings and was quite sturdy. Ambient lighting may be changed to create the ideal peaceful atmosphere, and a single button push can expose a concealed television. For an RV, the bathroom is surprisingly roomy and contemporary. It contains a smart toilet with integrated bidet functions and a rainfall shower with a high-pressure water system. The materials are simple to clean and made to withstand the demands of travel, and the vanity and sink space is well lit and has enough of storage. The kitchen is among the finest illustrations of well-considered small space design. High-end, energy-efficient appliances including a refrigerator, microwave, and induction burner are included. The cabinetry is cleverly built with innovative storage solutions to safely retain all of your requirements, even when traveling over rough terrain, and fold-away extensions optimize the countertop area. No matter where you go, you will always have access to clean drinking water because of an integrated water filtration system.